Hello, I saw your question in the email. Graph two periods of the given tangent function. So y equals 1/3 tangent of 4x. And so you got to match it with one of these four. Now I wrote page 98. If you look on page 98, they give you 4 steps for graphing these, and they break it down real nicely. I'm got the first 3 listed here, but page 98, they list the 4 steps, and they have a real nice example following that. I think the book's really excellent. You want to take a look at that. So this is tangent, and so first thing I realized, this one has the shape of a tangent. This one has shape of a tangent. This one does not. This would be either cotangent or negative tangent. And, this is positive. So immediately I realize it's not C. It has the wrong. It's going the wrong direction. This would be either cotan or negative tan. So I realized right away it's one of these two. Well, on page 98, you take this 4x and you set it equal to negative pi halves and positive pi halves. And that'll give you the two asymptotes. So how do you get rid of the 4? You multiply each side by a fourth. 1/4 or 4 times 2 will be 8. So I get negative pi eighths and positive pi eighths. So that's where the two asymptotes should occur. And so if I look at this, negative pi eighths is there, and there's not an asymptote there. And positive pi eighths is here. So it's not this one. The asymptotes are in the wrong spot. If you look at this guy, here's negative pi eighths, that's good, and positive pi eighths. So this one has asymptotes. So I know it's this guy. Now, step 2, you want to find the x-intercept. Well, the x-intercept is halfway between these two values. So halfway between negative pi eighths and positive pi eighths is 0, you see. And then the final step, you already know it's this one, but the final step, they say find these 2 points here. And so how do you do that? Well, you go over a quarter of the way. Go halfway between 0 and an eighth. If you go halfway, half of that's a 16th. So, go halfway over, that's pi 16ths. And then it's, you go up, the 1/3 there. And then you go backwards, halfway between these two. Half of that's, again, it'd be a negative 16th. And we're going down, so it'd be a negative 1/3. And so, that's the steps here on page 98, the real nice steps. Again, this one I can see is right off. That's either negative tangent or cotan. And so it's one of these two. The asymptotes are not correct here, but they are here. So I know it's this one. Plus we have the additional stuff. Hope that helps.